Hi viewers, today we're going to eat at LA Chicken, as seen over there. And I've seen this place since my childhood. My high school, HJ Canby Secondary, is just over on that side, just past the parks. And we'd always talk about this place, but we never visited because we weren't really big fans of fast food chains. But after looking up Richmond reviews on Urban Food, this place scored a whopping 92%. So these guys must know their chicken. And today we're going to go and find out if it's really foul play or if it's absolutely fucking delicious. Family size popcorn chicken. Yes. Oh, that's really big. So one we're ready to go for is the two-piece chicken dinner. Let's go crispy. Yeah. I'm so glad you could join me for dinner. So what I've ordered is the family size popcorn chicken. I love popcorn chicken because I grew up with that as a child, eating KFC all the time. And I have 2 packets of honey mustard here. Over on this side, we have fries and chicken drumstick and thigh. So this is their 2-piece meal. As you can see, the fries, they're very hot and they look fresh, but it's not salted. So let me just taste to make sure that I'm not seeing things. Yeah, absolutely fresh, but needs salt.